before. Really quiet Jeep. So the exhaust we got replaces this gigantic stock muffler, and it looks like it connects up there. And some guy said they reused a stock clamp, but I don't see how, because that one looks like it's welded to the muffler pipe, but we'll see. We may have to go get a clamp. But look at how flat the factory pinched that pipe. Yeah. Can't wait to get this higher flow and Flowmaster one on here. Get a little more sound, a little more performance. Should be fun. So, my folks don't drive it in the winter, but whoever had it before them obviously did. You can tell by that bolt. So, we ended up just cutting that clamp. You weren't going to be able to reuse it anyway. You can see it's welded to the pipe there. Sent my dad after a new clamp. In the meantime, we got... there's a bolt going sideways into the frame and then pointing towards the rear on either side, holding these brackets. It looked much easier to unbolt them from the frame. You can see there, that hole and that hole. Than to try and fight getting the rubber off up there on that gas tank heat shield. I didn't want to cut my hand on that. So a couple of 13mm bolts at each end. Pop that loose, and now I'm fighting with trying to get the exhaust pipe slid off because they're, you know, again, they've been together for a while. So we're gonna see if we can keep wiggling and prying and twisting and get that thing apart. I mean, you almost have to start it up with no muffler. It wouldn't be right not to. Yes, even with the muffler, it's probably going to be quieter yet, but that's all right. And there's the new dual exhaust setup from Flowmaster. Let's see what she sounds like. Got a little crackle. Honestly, I think it almost might even be a little bit louder than it was with nothing. Oh, yeah, so much for the yard. Dad's having fun. Sorry about the sun. It is, yeah, here we go. Jocelyn's FJ, Grandma's Jeep. All right, Mom's hopping in it for the first time. Should get her face. And you'll know when you hit the gas.
I know it has power.
Love ya.
Grandma's a little hot rod.
Yeah. We sure can tell them LED fog lights we put on it. That thing
She likes that turbo.
really lights up the ground good. She isn't afraid of the throttle.